Darnell Walker,
That's me.
you are suing the defendant, Ariana Moore,
Yes.
for $3,600. You say she owes you for a car accident?
Correct.
Okay, and you're countersuing, ma'am, for $600 for emotional distress?
Yes.
Okay, I'll start with you, Mr. Walker. Tell me about the accident. What happened?
Okay, so January 17, 2015, I was on a camping trip with a group of friends. I received a call from DeAndre, who was house sitting for me that weekend, saying that my car was parked on the corner where I left it before I left on the trip, and that it was just hit by a car.
You were there at his apartment?
Yes, that's correct.
And well, tell me what you heard or what you observed.
Like you said, I was house sitting, and I was sitting in the living room. I heard a crash, then I heard some people arguing.
About what time was this?
This was maybe like 2:30 in the afternoon.
Okay, so broad daylight.
Yeah, broad daylight.
Okay, and so did you go out and talk to the defendant and whoever else was there?
I went out and tried to talk to the defendant, but she was upset and hysterical, crying. So the mother stepped up and ended up talking to me.
Okay, so what do you say happened?
I'm following her because I have no license, no registration on the car. I'm following her. The guy tries to get over and cuts me off. So I'm trying to stop. I have no horn. I can't get his attention. So I hit one car, which was not his car. I hit one car. I knocked my mirror off and my tires off. I can't roll no more. I throw my car in park.
So this car on your left side tries to merge.
Yes.
And then you try to get out of the way?
Yes.
Okay, but was the car parked
The car
on the street?
I hit was parked. Mirror was off.
Okay, so
Yes.
you hit a parked car on the street.
Yes.
Okay.
And you say, but it was not his car.
It was not his car.
Okay, and how do you know that?
Because I hit a silver, it was a silver van. The mirror was off because my mirror was off and my tire was off because I hit that car.
So you say you hit the car behind him. So you
Yes.
left a note? What did you do?
Yes, she left a note on that car.
Okay, did they
Absolutely.
contact you?
No, they didn't bother. I was not bothered. They contacted
So,
me.
so what happened when the police show up?
I had left already.
Oh, you
I
left?
had left already because I had work. But my
No, that's
information.
not how it works. That's not how it works.
Okay, I understand that.
That's
but
not, no, I don't think you do.
Okay.
Because you're
Do you wanna-
driving with no
She was
license or
given
registration.
instructions.
Okay.
Ma'am, you
Can-
want to stand up, please?
Yes, please.
You're driving with
Okay.
no
Please.
license or
Yes.
registration.
Yes.
So there's that,
Yes.
first of all.
Okay.
You hit a parked car.
Sure did. Yes.
You say you leave a note. I don't know if you did.
Okay.
But you don't wait for the police to come. You just leave because you have to go
No,
to
he
work.
didn't say
never
that.
got
He just started getting
information.
information.
No.
And we never got
No.
information.
But you got
right
pictures
away.
of my
Hey, you guys
car.
gotta stop talking
you
over
were not
each other.
there.
So
You
I don't
need to
know
be
how
more
you're talking right now.
respectful.
All right, let me see. Let me look at the photos.
So it's an 87 Caprice Classic. I've been trying to find it for like 8 years. So the car
So
was...
just tell me about the damages.
I'm sorry, yeah. So she hit the car behind me. The car hit my rim. Of course, my rim is blown out. The entire driver's side, all this damage here. And then it hit my rim here and bent the rim in, which knocked off my steering column. I mean...
Okay, all right, thank you, sir.
Classic.
Whose car is this?
Mine.
Okay, that's the damage to the right side of
Yes.
your car. Both of you were interviewed by the police, right?
No.
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 So you never spoke to the police about this incident?
No.
They called you when the police arrived and you came back.
I received a text.
You said that you came back to the scene when the police
Correct.
were there. So you never spoke to the police when you went back to the scene? What was the purpose of
yes,
going back
I
there?
did.
Okay,
Yes.
so that
yes.
was my original question. Did you speak to the police about the
Yes,
accident?
yes, absolutely.
Okay, so you did speak to them.
Yes.
This report was taken at 3:40 in the afternoon on the 17th, the date of the accident. And what happens, according to the police, after speaking to the witnesses, you, ma'am, are in one lane on the right, and there's a car to your left. This car merges over, and then you merge over and hit vehicle number 3, which is the plaintiff's vehicle. There's no indication, according to the police report, that there were any other cars. In terms of identifying the parties, they said the first individual involved, no information or ID was obtained because they fled the scene. Party number 2, referring to you, provided her information to you and then fled the scene. You did not have a driver's license or registration.
Nor insurance.
Nor insurance?
Nothing.
Are you proud of that? Because you're smiling when you say
I'm
that.
smiling because I'm not in denial about what I didn't have. I just got the car. So I just had bad luck that day, going to get my smog, and on the way back, get cut off, car accident, I don't have anything. That's why I didn't leave without giving them my information. I didn't have the proper things
I don't
for
think
the-
you understand that you shouldn't be driving,
No, I
period.
understand that. I understand that. I didn't say
It's not bad luck.
She was in instructed by individuals at AAA to do that. They told her, you need to do this, this, and this before you can get the car registered. And that's the reason why I was there, because I felt that those instructions were given to her erroneously.
And I agreed with her.
Okay,
You were not
so
there.
let me ask you
You were not
something.
there.
What
And
happened
they
when
got that
you...
information from
We
her.
should talk about what you got from your
Hey,
insurance
listen!
company.
Did AAA tell you to come in this courthouse and be disrespectful?
No, of course
Keep it
not.
down. Keep it down, all right?
See, y'all get Juan upset. Now, Juan never gets upset. You know when my nerves are easily worked, but when you work on Juan's nerves, you know something's going on.
Coming up, were the constant calls harassment or just handling business?
Who would be stressed out in that situation? Someone
I'm not
car.
stressed. I'm stressed that he kept pressing me for the money for the car.
What are you so pressed about?
And later, was the apartment full of problems? Or did the tenant just have a bad attitude?
There was a lot of noise, 3 or 4 in the morning.
They are like security guard or something.
Plaintiff Darnell Walker says Ariana crashed into his parked classic car. He's suing for car damages. Defendant Ariana Moore says she doesn't know because another driver pushed her car into Darnell's vehicle. She's countersuing for emotional distress.
The value of the car is in good condition is only $2,325. So why are you?
Oh, I get that.
Why are you asking her to pay for damages over the value of the car?
Because my car is a Caprice Classic. So I don't know if you know about Caprice Classics, but this is a classic car. I mean, a great automobile.
That car I just saw
put
in that
so much
photo.
work. Yeah, that car. Well, not now because my steering column's off. But I put so much work in the car. New engine, new tire. I just come back a week before from Seattle, driving my car.
So you put more work in the car than what the car's worth. That's a choice that you made.
Right, that's the choice I made. But I would like to restore it to that point. I don't want to hook it up. I just want to get it back to the point where I had it.
Your insurance company wouldn't even give you that amount, sir. You're asking her to pay almost twice the value of the car.
Because it's a.
You think that's reasonable?
Yes, I do think
And so
it is.
when you told the insurance company it was a classic, they said, "Here's your check for $1,200." Here's what we're going to do. What is your counterclaim about for emotional distress? Do I even want to know the answer to this?
Okay, so after the car accident, I explained to him I have no insurance, I have no license, what you want me to do? And he's like, well,
So who would be stressed out in that situation? Someone
I'm not
hits their car.
stressed.
Well, but you're suing for emotional distress.
I know, I'm saying, I'm not stressed out. I'm stressed out he kept pressing me for the money for the car.
Because
You hear him saying how much his car means to him, how much you want to put. He asked for double the money to get back in the car. I need to handle this.
But you got this money from the insurance company, so what are you so pressed about?
They gave me $1,281 in April. The accident happened.
Oh, so you were committed.
So I live in Los Angeles. 2, I'm a single father in Los Angeles. I need a car. I've been taking Uber everywhere.
you can drive your car?
No, my car's not drivable.
Oh, okay.
I can't get around. So this is money that I owe.
I get it now.
So if anybody has emotional distress,
you're telling me
it would be me.
I called the
I'm about to
insurance
sue
company.
all y'all for emotional distress. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I do find you responsible for the damages to his car. I don't think that there was this other. Maybe you hit more than one car, but I think you hit his car too, based on everything that I've heard today. So on the question of liability, I do find you responsible. The other question is how much is she going to pay? And I'm certainly not going to order her to pay what you're asking for. And I know what you're saying. My car was parked, minding its own business.
That's it.
And now I end up going through
It's a
all of this.
classic.
I know it sucks. I know it does.
Caprice.
The value of the car in good condition is $2,325. When I subtract from that the $1,281 that your insurance company paid to you, I'm going to order her to pay the remainder of the value, which is $1,044. Judgment for the plaintiff, $1,044. Your counterclaim for emotional distress is dismissed. Good luck.